How to purchase Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can purchase Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to purchase Prime Video, you won't be able to do it from the app, so open your browser and go to primevideo.com. Then you will see this type of interface. If you already have a Prime account, which is a free account, you can tap the sign in option, or you can tap the start your free trial option if you are new to this. Now you can choose to create a new Prime Video account, or you can simply log into one of your existing Prime Video account, which is the Amazon account. So let me go ahead and then basically actually log in to one of my existing accounts. Now once I've done this, right over here it will ask me to simply go ahead and log in, so let me go ahead and do that as well. Now once I log into my Amazon account, I can tap the accept option here, and now you can see I'll be successfully logged in. Now after I've done that, I will be able to successfully go ahead and then basically get the Prime subscription. Now if you don't have those type of subscriptions, you should be able to enter your payment details. This way you can purchase Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.